You'll be forgiven for thinking you are in Kasarani Stadium or probably at Nyayo Stadium. Looks more Kenyan, sounds more Kenyan than Ugandan. And that's only going to enhance the sound that's produced here by the visitors. Kenya having a ball game and a field out here. Look at some of the few highlights in these initial exchanges. Proper crowd fun it is.
I think the Honorable Batum Ben needs to show some, control when he's going for that one, because there's no need to spike hard. Uganda's number one problem has been getting in each other's way. I think the best thing would be, I think that they would rather hear some shouts for everyone to communicate better, because the communication is off. But just like that, the run of game.
Good reception.
Oh, reception.
Ooh. It's always a teasing ball, the one that comes too close to the net. A big problem for the booster to determine what to do with it, as Uganda now look to close the gap. Good service.
Interesting serve. Almost get there with that dump again.
That's the position they're constantly looking
for.
Ooh, looking to dump on their own as well.
That was an opportunity.
Kept alive.
Over the net.
That's a dicky one. Kept alive. Good rally here between the two teams, going for the dump once again, and this one is off court.
What defense! What defense by Uganda's